Hi and welcome to this DCP tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and install the latest version of GIMP 2.10.12. So let's open up the web browser and in Google we'll type in GIMP and we'll get to the website and we need to go to gimp.org. Let's click here and then we'll see the latest version is 2.10.12. You can check the release notes, so we'll just middle mouse click on that to check them while this is downloading, and as default the browser will detect what version of software you're running. So we think you're running Microsoft Windows, that is correct, and you can click on Linux here, Mac OS and Microsoft here. So just click on the relevant one and I'm going to click on Windows and download here. So that's going to start downloading. Here we can see it's downloading, and you can go and check the release notes to find out what's changed in this particular version of GIMP. I think this is just generally 2.10, all of the changes that have been made. So there'll be stability fixes and a few different changes to make things look better as well, so have a more stable application. So I'm looking forward to seeing GIMP 3. We still haven't seen that yet, so I guess that's in development. I know that they're changing the interface and they're going to be doing a lot of work on GIMP 3. I read a little bit about it, but that will be interesting to see. So let's get this version installed and we'll open up this folder. Let's drag and drop that into the folder here and we will close the browser. Let's double click on this file and we'll wait for this to launch. So install for all users, so I might as well install it for everyone, or you can install it just for yourself, the person that's logged in, but we'll install it for everyone and we'll just follow the on-screen instructions. So you can select the language here. I'm going to use English and click OK and then click install here. We have to wait for it to extract the files and dump them into the directory to create the application. So let's just wait for that to finish. While that's extracting, I'm just going to right click here and unpin this from my taskbar. This is like a little GIMP icon, and then once it's finished installing we'll repin it to my taskbar and we can launch the application. Okay, that's finished installing. Let's go ahead and click the finish button here, and now the software is fully installed. We can now go to our task menu here and we will look for GIMP. So let's look for G's. That's here, that's GIMP. So I'm going to right click on it, go to more and pin it to my taskbar. So I'll pin it to the taskbar here. Let's drag it over to Inkscape in between here and we'll click on it, and you'll notice the first time you click on it, it's going to take a bit of time to boot up and this bar will run a little bit slower than usual, but on the second time it should boot up a lot quicker. So that's GIMP already booted up, so it wasn't too bad actually. Now let's just give it a quick test, make sure it's actually working. So what I'll do is let's go to here, let's go to the wallpapers and we'll just have a look at one of these images. So let's drag something like this into GIMP and we've got this nice picture here. A lot of the images I use in my backgrounds for my tutorials is here in the background desktop. They're all downloaded from Unsplash. You check out Unsplash if you're looking for pictures like this, really nice ones to use. Let's just do a quick filter. So let's go to filter. Let's just add a supernova in here and let's just make sure it's all working quickly. And we'll click OK on that. So that all seems to be working fine. So we can add filters. Let's just test the color. Let's desaturate it. Just make sure that's working quickly. So that all seems to be working fine. Version 2.10.12. That seems to be a good application. It seems to be running a little bit faster as well, which is nice. So if you're looking for more tutorials on GIMP, this was just an installation tutorial. Check the YouTube description, and inside the description I'll put a load of tutorials in there for you to follow so you can learn how to use GIMP as well. Okay, that's the end of this tutorial. Look forward to seeing you on the next DCP web tutorial.